Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas day 5, I think. I believe it's Vlogmas day 5. Today, I'm going to take you guys along with me as I have a relaxing and slow day at home. Andrew and I are still COVID positive, so we can't really go anywhere and do anything, but it's kind of been nice. I mean, it's not nice that we've been sick, but we've been saying that we've been so busy and we just want some relaxing weekends at home. And this is going to be the second weekend we've been able to spend at home and not being able to go anywhere. Like, we absolutely can't go anywhere, so we've been stuck here and forced to just kind of take it easy at home, and it's been kind of nice. So this morning I'm just going to enjoy my coffee. I'm going to do some reading. I have been reading this book for a while, but it's kind of something that I just kind of pick up and read randomly. It's called The Montessori Baby, and I need to refresh myself on some of this stuff because I started reading it quite a while ago. So getting closer to baby being here, so I'd like to just, freshen up and start actually putting some of the stuff that I learned here into practice so I can prepare for baby. So that's what I'm going to do this morning, and we might go for a walk outside because it's quite nice out. It's sunny out today, and I think it's probably warmish. Not warm, but warmer. So yeah, we'll see where today it takes us. It is so nice out. It's warm. We'd not need gloves.
I wouldn't
probably
say it's warm, but it's not
I
really
feel like
cold.
it's warm. It's probably like in the 50s.
It's comfortable when you're wearing a jacket and
Yeah.
pants. Like,
I'm
but
hot.
I would by no means say it's warm.
Andrew's
You have pregnancy. You're like really warm all of a sudden.
Yeah.
I did take my gloves off though, so warm enough for that, I guess.
I've managed to injure my foot somehow. I don't know what happened, but it was a little bit sore when we started walking, and now it's like really in a lot of pain. So we're heading back, but I'm just kind of hobbling along.
Yeah, we'll just take our time.
Yeah.
It'll take us twice as long to get back as it took us to get here.
I'm also super thirsty. I didn't bring water with me specifically because if I've been drinking it, I'll have to pee sooner, and I didn't want to have to pee while we're walking home, but kind of wish I had my water. So go home now. So I'm sitting here working on my vlog, and all of a sudden I heard this giant crash of thunder outside, and we're having a huge storm right now. It is like raining / hailing and thundering and lightning, and it's just really weird because it's December. We don't usually have thunderstorms in December, but yeah, how wild is that? We're just having dinner now, and I think we're gonna watch a Christmas movie tonight.
Yeah, Harry Potter.
No. Okay, I don't have a I love Harry Potter, I really do, but I just don't want to watch it. I want to watch some of the cute Christmas movies.
Like Die Hard? Die Hard, the real true Christmas movie?
Have you even seen Die Hard?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, it's been a few years, but yes, I have.
We got some soup, we got some salad. I have a little piece of garlic toast. I've been craving like Italian carbs. I don't know how else to describe them, but like pizza or calzone or garlic bread. And we had one slice left of garlic toast in the fridge, or in the freezer. So I'm eating it and I feel bad because Andrew doesn't have one.
I'm fine, I don't need it. Salad's pretty good. Soup tastes good. Good hearty veggie soup with noodles. One might call it noodle soup.
Alright guys, I'm absolutely exhausted. The movie we watched was really good. I forgot the name of it. I'll insert it in here though, but it's really good. I do recommend it. I'm going to take a shower now and then go to bed because I don't think I can stay up any longer, but I hope that you enjoyed our video and we will see you in our next episode of Vlogmas. Bye!